Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automated in MK. Today we are going to discuss about control flows in UiPath. So what are control flows in UiPath? So it refers to a workflow moves from one activity to another. So where the logic that determines the order of execution in an automation. So we will discuss the main control flow activities in UiPath. So first we have if condition. So it executes different activities based on true or false condition. So they execute different activities based on a true or false condition, which is boolean type. So the structure, if it is condition success, it will execute that, do this, or else it will do that. For example, if amount is greater than 1000, it will approve or else it will reject. So in the switch case, it select one path among the multiple conditions. So it works like a multi-way. For example, if we are selecting for the Chrome, it will open the Chrome application. Similarly, Edge. So this is small example for the switch case. And we have the loops, so which are repetitions. We have mainly while, do while, and for each. So while repeats while a condition is true. So it will in do while it will execute at least once, then it will check the condition, and for each iterate through a collection of, here the collection represents list, array, etc. So example, for each row in data table. So if we have any data table, we can extract those data using for each. And we have some more delay and retry scope. So delay, it will pass execution for a certain time, and retry scope retrace an activity until a condition is met. So and we have the break and continue. So break helps us to stop the loop immediately, and continue helps skip current iteration and move to the next iteration. So parallel activity, which helps us to run multiple activities simultaneously. So we will discuss one by one practically. So the first we have if else. So I have taken an input dialog box where I have like grading the student. So here I am asking to enter the score of the student and storing the value into the int score. So if score is less than 200, the student is fail, or else the student is pass. So I will just run the bot. Okay, so it is asking to enter the score of the students. I'm just entering 150. Okay, so it is below 200, so that it displays the student is fail. Okay, so in this way the if else condition works. And the next one is switch case. Here I took an input dialog box where I am like inputting the browser type. So according that the message box will execute. It is asking to type the enter the browser you want to use. I am just typing Chrome. Let's see what happens. Okay, bot opened the Chrome. Okay, so here I have given three types of the browsers: Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Open the Chrome also, and default time, if anything we are not entering, it will give the none of the browser is open. So this is about the switch. And in for each, I have taken as an activity, and with the variable like array type, and I have stored the 1 to 8 values, which is integer type, and I'm like iterating and adding +1, incrementing each individual integer number by adding the 1. So let us see. I'm just clicking the run file. So I have added message box activity. Okay, So the first value in the loop is 1, so that it increment value is 2. Yeah, similarly. Yeah, we have till 8, so that last output is 9. You can see here. Okay, this message box, right? Okay. Okay, let's go for loops. So in the loop section, the first one we have while loop and we have do while. The main difference of the while and do while, in the while it will check the condition first and execute further. In do while it will execute further until the condition is met. So this is the this is the main difference between the while and do while. Let us run this. Okay, we'll see the output here. Okay, so here I didn't written anything to display. I will just write line. The value increment value is to string. Okay, similarly I am adding here also. Yeah, I'm clicking save all, so it will save all the workflows. Okay, just running that and file. Okay, in the output we can see here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Similarly, we can run this file as well. Do while. Yeah. So it successfully executed the write line here. You can see here the output. Okay, and we have that parallel activity. I'm just share you that one which I built. Okay, if you can see here, we are using an Excel in web as well as desktop application. So here to be background about this, we are using a Excel sheet which has some data and we need to post the data in the web browser as well as the application. So here we have used the parallel activity, which helps us to execute the updating the details in web and desktop simultaneously. So this is about that parallel activity. Thanks for watching video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on my videos.